we're going to observe a couple of measurements, very different. One related to pH, the other related to oxidation reduction potential. So we're going to use 3 water samples: neutral water in the central, normal water, to the left acidic water, which is sterile 1000, sanit 1000. On the right, this is a microagua, alkaline reduced water matter. The regenerator is named too. We're going to use also a color table, pH color table with its activator, and an electronic device to measure electronically the pH. We have 2 pH meters and the ORP meter, which measures the electrical power of the water. So now let's start with to measure that we could do. Let's start with a normal water, with the electronic pH meter, and we have here 7. That's right, accurate. When water is in the proportion of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, should be 7. 7.2. Now we're gonna measure the pH of acidic water or sterile 1000, sanit 1000. We can observe it's giving us 2.3 pH. And now we're going to measure electronically the pH of this reduced water, which is giving us 11.3. As we can see, it's 2 incredible extremes. Now we're going to use a color pH meter. We're going to throw a drop in the normal neutral water to see if we obtain the color in the center of the color table. There we can see it. Yeah, it's pretty much alike. Kind of grayish. If we put it closer, now we're gonna measure the pH with this chemical pH meter. Now the acidic water, and we can realize it's on the other extreme. Absolutely. Now the only one we need to measure is the microagua, regenerator or matrix substance. The pH we add a couple of drops to, and we can see automatically, real quick, it's right there until the end of the scale, because the pH is really high, 11. Now we need to measure the ORP, the oxidation reduction potential. Normal water has an electrical power of 275 millivolts. That's correct, because water should be between 250 and 300 millivolts. Now we're going to measure the electrical power of the acidic water, sterile 1000. Right away, the measurement just skyrockets to 1100 millivolts, which is more than 1 volt. It's incredible, the electrical power of the sterile 1000. Now we're going to measure the electrical power of microagua or regenerator or matrix. We observe not only reaches 0, it's the value, it's negative, minus 843 millivolts. This is, the power is, scale goes into negative, the charge is negative, so it's loaded with electrons. No other substance, antioxidants in the world nowadays can compete with us. Not even like natural remedies like green leaf, beta-carotene, like a lot of amino acids like thymosin, melatonin, glutathione. None of them can get even a little close to the microagua. We transform the water into a couple of very dramatically powerful substances. The one on the left, very acidic, the other one, the alkaline, with a very negative electrical power, which is minus 800 millivolts.